The probability that Janice will buy an item online in any week is 0.35. You have come across information, make a note. So probability is given to be 0.35. Janice does not buy more than one item online in any week. The probability that Janice buys at least one item online in a period of n weeks is greater than 0.99. Now let us convert this statement into mathematical form. Here given is probability. Probability is said to be greater than 0.99. So greater than 0.99. Clear? Now, what condition will I get here? That will be decided by this one. At least one item. At least one item means one or more, and mathematically we represent in this way. R greater than or equal to 1. One or more will be represented in this way. Clear? Now, find the smallest possible value of n. So you need to find the value for n. Okay, now here you should get the idea of using binomial distribution, and the formula for binomial distribution is NCR p power r 1 minus p power n minus r. You should know the value for n, r and p. Okay, now n we need to find out. P will be this one. And now let us decide the values for r. Here r is greater than or equal to 1. So r values will be 1, 2, 3 till n. So I get many values for r. So to decrease the values for r, what step I will take is this one. We do 1 minus. Whenever we are doing 1 minus, in the bracket change the inequality. Here it is greater than, make it less than. And here you have equal to, don't put equal to here. Clear with this? Whenever you are doing 1 minus, change the condition. Is greater than 0.99. Now all the numbers one side and this to the other side. So I get 1 minus 0.99 greater than. Here it is negative. When you shift, it will become positive. Okay. Now 1 minus 0.99 will be 0.01 greater than. Here what values will I get for r? R is less than 1, so only one value I get for r, that is 0. Okay, now 0.01 greater than. Here r is 0, so replace r equal to 0 in the formula. So what do we get? NC 0 and p is 0.35 power 0 into 1 minus p power n minus r, so n minus 0. Next, you should know this, that NC0 will always be 1, even NCn will also always be 1. So this is 1. Here it's power 0, so this will also be 1. So we are left out with only this. 1 minus 0.35 is 0.65 power n. Clear? Now, from this inequality we get the value for n. Either you do trial and error or use logarithms in this way. So n equal to log of. Here the base is 0.65. So for the log also take the same base, and over here it's this one. Now put this in the calculator. You get the answer to be 10 point some change. So n is either 10 or 11. You need to decide one. And how do you decide it? By replacing it in the inequality. Let us say n equal to 10. Replace it in this. 0.01 greater than 0.65 power 10. Now put this in the calculator and check whether this value you are getting less than this or not. So here it's not coming. So n equal to 10, you reject it. When 10 is rejected, you accept n equal to 11. So this is the answer. If you wish to confirm, replace n equal to 11 in this, the inequality will be satisfied. Okay, is it clear?